us a comment, like, share, and subscribe.
I don't bring nobody forward in your cheer for me. Everything what you see happen, my natural talent. Let me tell you something. You see, when you know what to please the audience with, it's simple, man.
How will let out the stewing in them out of the Coop, man? How Beryl lit down the Fowl Coop in them, man. Watch them, man, the whole of the house stop come off and the whole of the stewing in them get to it. Watch all the whole tough one there, you know, long me forgive that one there to food for the poor. Welcome back, Speak My Mind family. Welcome back. Them let out a stewing in. How are they rasta this? Me never know say Beryl eat America too. Beryl eat America. Cause it come like one Fowl Coop tear down and one stewing and escape. Me no know. Me not really do video for them people here, you know. But that one you caught me ears and caught me eye. Oh no they do. Do they do? Cause me no sit down and wait for know who is this stewing end. The Fowl Coop fly up. Like, share, subscribe to the channel. Hit the thumbs up as you hit the video. And please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. Remember, life is a mission. You see a woman when me go talk about you now. Remember, life is a mission. It's not a competition. It's a mission. You see, as soon as you don't want to take life to be a competition, you are going to fail the mission. Because the mission is not a competition. Remember, in the comment section, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. And down there, you also have Tamika Douglas TV. Remember, help me to help them reach 1,000 subscribers. And remember, the cash app pin down the $ Life is a Mission TV. Oh, let out this chewing in. This chewing in. Get where Beryl never stop in America, so all the Fowl Coop tear down this chewing in. Me say this chewing in. Get where. Anyway, people, too much suspense. Me hear this big stewing in. You know what stewing in is? Stewing in hatch out and then sitting there, you know. And can't hatch no more. Sometimes some of them might find a little one egg afterwards. You understand? One where they are foreign, where they call Maxine Easterbun. No Maxine Easterbun. Yeah. Run out pan Donna. Donna David they are foreign 1 week yet. And this is the difference between most of Una and Donna and whole heap of other people where is probably like Donna. Uno there for run competition. You understand? So as you make $1, you feel like say, okay, I can go floss, I can go brass. And you not think about the future, you not think about the bigger picture. You not think about what you can do with the money you take a brass and floss. How well you can invest that money. Or how well you can accumulate income on that money, whichever way you want to. You just think about floss and brass because you find yourself with a certain amount of money. You never ever have in a lifetime. So you feel like now that you don't have it, it will always be there. If you don't invest it, it can't stay. Because if you stand up in it and braff in it and walk in it and floss in it, it must done. You have to invest what you got. You understand? And people like you when you want to work. So it's not like say you even have it if you spend 2,000 out tight today or 200 out tight today. Tomorrow you go work and you get back a week's pay, you can't put it back. People like you don't want to work, Maxine. You understand? Because you don't reach certain age that you can't work, or when you reach retirement age, you still have the strength and goes on. And when you reach retirement age, you can still sign on back for a year or two. You understand? Retirement age only mean it mandatory that you have to get retirement if you want it. But that not say you can't continue and go on. And if you reach it, the 2-year maximum, then say you have 2-year maximum to continue work after retirement age. You still can come out, whether if a government and go privately work with somebody. in some way, shape, or form where it might take less clean because you can't manage hard clean no more. You come out here watch Donna money. You come out here watch if Donna buy house. How Donna say she buy house in Florida. And how you want to know she buy house in Florida. You want to know how she have 3 bedroom where she rent or pick them go rent to she have come up. And you want to know everything how Donna carry back clothes and the whole on live on the same level now. You and Donna can't live on the same level at no times. Because Donna have her money. Donna have her business. Me never see Donna fly go to Canada yet and get stuck at Canada. The only stuck she nearly gets stuck is when the plane have a detour and go to Cuba. That wasn't her fault. That was mechanical problem. And give thanks to life and Father God. No phone never want to see her. When you did a plan and a work, I wish the world see her on the back of her during that hard times of so many people on the plane. Where people, family and family member go through, all kids was on the plane, elderly people was on the plane. I want to wish all kind of bad because that one woman did on the plane. But God knows best and everything work out. That's the only time you ever see Donna get stuck. I don't know if your fault. You come to Jamaica as a citizen of America and get stuck. What make you get stuck? And a documentation make you get stuck. And this you not have. This you not have. Who don't know what this mean in Jamaican terms when you go so, you talk about money. When you say a man come to you and say, a money mean in Jamaican terms. So who don't know? All over the world, Caribbean anyway, this mean money. And that she never have. That's why she gets stuck in Jamaica. She could even able to finance her stay in Jamaica. It's a subscriber place she have to catch up. The same place where she go put the people them name and light it. And say she a work voodoo. And she have to wait till hours and night to come out come do that because she couldn't do that in a day. When neighbors and other residents are going to see that. So she make sure she come out in a night. Hours so she knows that the people them gone at them bed. Come do it. Because certain area now, one thing with certain area now people. I can tell you this. If you live in certain areas, you have to be careful what you do. Because neighbors look out for neighbors. So you know what happened to people them see she do that? Then would have call probably the owner for the place and say we not tolerate that around here. Because you have some neighborhood where have certain rules and regulations where each owner of any property in that neighborhood have to abide by. Right here so in Jamaica. Right here so. Rules and regulations. You have to go your regular monthly meeting, community board meeting and all them something there. So if she didn't make the people them see her do that, that's why she do it at night. You couldn't even finance your stay in Jamaica and you want to come size up with 99. Coop on your toe. 99 every day for in a week. If the woman want to buy something and carry back, which I don't see that live there where she carry back nothing or what, when I see it, me not gonna lie. But if she even carry back something, I must have fault the something of why she carry it back. You will buy and carry back, probably you wear and use and then you carry it back because the opportunity is there for you to carry back. And at that you do, you use the opportunity. Oh, I can't wear this and carry it back. So I don't like it. I can't wear this and I can't use this and carry it back. Because I can't say I don't like it because, you know, I buy a pattern and I say, I put it on and I cook it all 3-4 times and I carry it back. I don't like it because it burn bad. It burn up my rice. Because the opportunity is there for you to carry it back. So you use the opportunity, you take advantage of that opportunity. If Donna even carry back something, if somebody case, I know she might carry back because she find a fault with it or something, or what she think it could have do, just saying, you know, because as I said, I don't see the lie. But knowing Donna is not the type of person who are going to just come and buy the sitting and carry it back. There must be a problem or a fault with it why she carry it back. And not like she buy sitting and she use it and she take the advantage or the disadvantage and do what she want to do with it and then she carry it back. Unlike you, she don't need to do that. You are financially strapped. You are financially stressed. Donna not financially stressed. So why you worry about Donna? And Donna coming to America. What she can buy from, what she have from, what she not have. Come on. People, wanna listen to her. The always true in end. Beryl, why you lit down the fowl cook, Beryl? And let out the stewing in. Not even pressure cooker can cook you.
One want me to come out here, come cuss and dip up under her. Dip up under her. Me not feel like me want dip up under her anymore. So me come out and me dey shed every day when she put up one post and she say something. Yes, me dey go run it. Yes, me dey go talk about it because me can talk about it. Don't think the whole of them used to sit down and say how me worthless because me they carry back things to the store, me they carry back things to the store. Don't enough of them same one used to sit down and say you sit down in a one little corner, they do you live, you sit down in a one little corner, they do you live. So what if they shed the light and she now sit down in her room, they do her live? So what? You must be honest, man, and not be so biased. You can't be so biased. Donna, if you want you to company live every day and cause American people who is sitting in a one corner and then can't move from out of one corner. So what if the people them saying sit down in a one corner now?
Know that Donna they are foreign, no phone go turn a mobile CCTV. Cause you go watch everything what she do. You go watch her more now. That only that watch her at Jamaica. It's a difference between Donna sitting down one place in a fair house and do fair life. You know what's the difference? And it's a big difference. You never sit down a Donna pitney them. You might glimpse Ladine, but you never sit down a Donna two daughter them in a social media yet. You never. We see your daughter come on social media cuss people for you. I tell off people for you in your life. So people know your daughter in a social media. You never see none of Donna daughter them. Donna protect her daughter's privacy, which they due that respect. So what she do, she make sure she position herself in one place where she won't impede her kids. So they get the image get captured in the life. Nothing wrong with that. You forced to be restricted in one corner. Donna not forced to restricted in a one corner. You understand? Because I sure know if the pitney them gone on road and she alone at the house, she have all privilege to walk on anywhere at the house and video. But what she do? She make sure she make a little corner now for herself, which she not the only person do that. And in life, there is changes. The more you move along, there is change. There is, you're the road that sell your own like a biscuit them at the roadside, you do anything. But you get hired as a manager for a place where sell the same biscuit, different rules and laws, you have to go by it. So basically, you elevate to a higher standard, the rules and the laws also elevate. You can't just come sit down on the stall and go dirty clothes. But you sell biscuit and you sell this and you sell that to feed people and people for them. You're in an established bakery and company now where you have to properly attire. So the higher you go, the rules and the laws are going to step up. And people are going to look out for, you know, more better decency from you and whatsoever. All of us say Donna bagga. Right now, if Donna get a position where she happy, which we have seen it, because she has done numerous amount of interviews. You understand? And she wasn't the worst. She might don't come out at 100% at all times, but she wasn't the worst. For the person we uno have her as bagga, saga. Uno I look for the worst when town ear say all the company come and say, so Dr. Marie go, or before that, Auntie Donna, how you feel to be an ambassador for Birdie, you know, which is a well-established, recognized baking company? Because from before I even born, I come grow an ear of purity, you know. So what you think about you being an ambassador for this company? Well, you know, as the famous name as Auntie Donna, you know, Auntie Donna is well equipped for anything. And what you get and what you see is what you get. You know, it's just me. And they see me for what I am, and you know, that's just what it's going to be. Oh no, you should come on. I mean name Auntie Donna, you know. Yeah man, I mean I'm not know if I come from, man. 99 months of it I come from, man. Yeah man. Yeah, man. And I get to my come from upon the girl side, I live, you know. Yeah, man, upon the girl side, I live, man. Yeah, what I talk about, man. I'll be a bag with deal over here saying, man. Yeah, man, I mean, run planka shop, man. Yeah, man, I mean, a planka nation, the planka shop. No, you don't hear that. And because many of who no see her feel when she goes and does interview. When you come back, enough time come chat all kind of different sitting. You understand what I say to you? So, elevation, when you elevate, is going to be a different person in certain circumstances because you have to equip yourself for that elevation that you have elevate. That not mean behind the scenes or outside of, you know, that entity, you're not going to bring back your natural self against your friends and families. So, when you come and talk about Donna each up in a one, she a protect her pitney them. She don't want to see her pitney them image in her phone. And that's their rights. So, what you talk about? Move your out, man.
Yes. We all know that she have money, she can't get money for buy.
I'm glad you know.
She buy one house. Let me bring the story out now.
But why you bring out the evidence too, not just the story? Bring out the evidence before we can answer you.
How comes her pretty them rent 3-bedroom last month? One time then gone when they say Shelly ever clean, mama then come out and come ball out say in buy house for Donna in a Florida. But Lord Jesus, you let me memory just they come back to me. If I catch one now, no put no bomb clot over your thing.
So carry out the evidence, because some of you might not remember, like how you say you try remember. Carry out the evidence. And if someone should buy a house, what if she buy a house into an area that she don't really want to go, and that house is probably doing business like a Airbnb or whatsoever? You don't feel like you don't know everybody's business in a phone? You don't feel like so every details in a phone you don't go hear? If me come and I say, Lord, you know, say me I go open one little shop. Me can't say me I go open a little shop here and sell some things. Me not must come out and come tell you what me I go sell. But at least I come out and I say I go open one little shop, so I have an idea, say I go run a little business. But me not have to come out and come go no details, say I go fry some dumpling and sell some sprat, or I go sell some panty, or I go sell some brassiere, or I go sell little, you know, utensils, or I go sell little, what you call it, hygiene products. Me not have to come out and come go no details there. Me just come out here and I feel like, say I go open a shop and I say it. Me can't say it to and just go on things to run with, because me know so I love run with things. So me can't just say when me say just so I run with things, because we know I love run with things. So we go on things to run with. So you come out about Shelly ever clean, mother never come out and say she buy my house in Donna in Florida. How long you live in America? You buy one? Eh? How long you live in America? You have one? And you're one of them love talk about you're American citizen and you used to work with the American government, so the American government protects you and the American government do this. Like if you're going to a different country, go broke law, the American government will fly special jet for you or fly the army if it come for you. Where? You recognize, man? You're Jamaican. Remember, say you're Jamaican, not American. Jamaican. Anytime none of the Jamaican will come here and boast about American citizen and this and that, and you can show me in the American passport say no Jamaican are right tonight, then you don't tell me say you're American. Once none of you can come out and love boast and wave passport, see to me American, hey, I'm Michael, I'm going like say yes, it's all about America. Dirty Jamaica. Dirty Jamaica, and come out here and wave passport. You know, if you can walk me that the American passport and skip every line and page. As a matter of fact, me not going to so much work. Give me the details of your status, your date of birth, your country of birth, your height, your age. Yeah, just come give me this. So you don't have to skip nowhere. Me not give no help. Just give me your status. The leaf you have on your status will say place of birth. And tell me say if I'm not Jamaican tonight, you can't come tell me nothing about an American, you know a Jamaican. Not American jam, you know. Because we not talk about no bun and butter your son and no bread. We are talking about American. about you know American and how much years you know sing sound American and you know have nothing out of America. I scare when you scare say this woman here come and now come showing up. And that you know scare right now no funny, you know. We live in America how much years. We have said this woman here can't even put foot in America because she this and she that and she get caught and carry this, carry that like on feel like on a friend. You understand? How the sister she finally reach and have all kind of other things I go say now. Because guess what me know? You don't know this woman ambition where she have. How you know this woman ambition where she have to come show up with America for 30 and 25 and 20 and 40 years. You don't know so she go come show up. I don't scare her. She go expose you know. So you can't continue to try bring her down to come more. She goes, hey, you know wait man. Just give her a little time. Just give her a little time.
And tell me one fuck you see. If I catch one now, no come over here today. Come over here and talk to me today. Remember say today I don't know.
All them I don't really give them no knowing you know, but me have to come out for that one yeah. Me have to come out for this one yeah. Me have to come out for this one yeah. Me not give them no knowings, but me have to come out for this. Trust me.
Give her 3 years max. You won't be able to compare. She's on the runway to lift off. It doesn't matter.
So, give her 3 years. Give her 3 years. After you give her the 3 years, and you see she elevate further than what she did, what you gonna say? Unlike you not realize that this is not a woman when not proven to have ambition. You not realize that it's a woman this one not talk about, you know, where is a go-getter, you know, where has proven to be a go-getter. A woman this one said dunce, we're proven to be so smart. A woman who say bagger, where has proven that she can adjust herself when the time comes for her to adjust. So tell your subscribers say it not matter for you, because they will never end up see that. They will never end up see that. And the good thing about it, it come like she have 3 smart pitney too. You know, sometimes you have some parents have some pitney and them a try and it's like the pitney them is have no help to them. It look like she have 3 pitney will have her back and is of great help to her. She can leave up certain things and say, "Uno deal with that, uno manage that," and she not have to look back and say, "Boy, nah, deal with proper, nah, way." And she do what she have to do on the ground. So basically, she can there son do the groundwork and weed out the land. And she know say, "Boy, they pick them around there, so them have to collect the money around there, so and if she have to go buy material or she have to go buy 2 more cutlass or buy 1 more whacker to weed out the land because the work have to keep going. Them go and buy it and them just hear say them fi buy it and them go and buy it and she can't rely upon them fi buy it and know them go buy the good one because them know the good one. Yes, that's the type of picnic come like 99 have. We have our back. So the certain workload where she not have to deal with. You understand? She not have to worry because them already have the part they are deal with. Some of we have some picnic and every walk you have to do everything. All for them things where them want, where them can't go do, them want you to do. You understand? So at them type of picnic they should have, so you will never see that. But give her 3 years. Give her 3 years, you not go drop down in America. Any state you want to live in, them have to go request more ambulance at the state there. Because most of the state them are more and want to live there like that, you know. We don't want to see the woman prosper, you know. Oh. Help you not look for no waste of time, America.
It doesn't matter. Does it matter?
Company you not look for the waste of no waste time, America.
Aren't all of us on the same level right now?
No.
It no matter how much.
You and Donna can't be on the same level right now. You and Donna cannot be on the same level right now. Because I'm going to prove why you and Donna can't be on the same level right now. Donna can't get up tomorrow morning and buy a ticket and fly go anywhere around the world. You can't do that. It's either credit card or something else. Or cash up you go beg. Donna can't take up the phone and call our lawyer Jamaica and say, you know, so I see that house up on the web, I want it. Go buy the house for me. And it pay for me. Now ask. When you see people where invest them money and them not really floss them money certain way, them smart, you can know say certain things them can do. You understand? And the thing about it, we see the value of business and investment which you put out. And when you can't see the value of investment where a person put out, you might can't pinpoint say, okay, she make 30% on her financial amount that you put out in this business. You might can't do that, but you know, say, investment is good. Because nobody now invest them good money in something when not work. It's only an idiot do that. Only an idiot invest them money in something when not work. Because once me try 1 or 2 times and it not work, I done, me move on to something else. That's why I love season business. If a hockey, I want none sell a hockey me want. And if a mango me want. You think me I sit down and talk about me I sell umbrella when the rain not fall? Me sit down and sell raincoat and rain not fall. You idiot? You sit down and wait for rain to fall to sell something to make a food? Anything where I go and rain and fall, a umbrella and raincoat. Rain stop fall, me move on to something else. Me now sit down and sell umbrella and raincoat in a dry time and sun time. Where you go with that? You will never sell an umbrella. You will never sell a raincoat. When me have to put a raincoat in a hot sun. Oh. So when you're business smart, and she say business smart, you can't say XYZ. Me know you and Donna can't in the same boat right now. You're both shaky, you're both a rock and sea calm right there. So just imagine if you see it rough and you're in that boat, they turn over a long time. When me say you're in a boat, I mean I talk about a little canoe, a little railway, a little, me I talk about you're in a good boat. You're in something like a yacht. And the sea calm and it just a wobble and a bounce. So. You understand? And sea in a rough. So suppose see the rough, it turn over with you a long time. You barely hang on pan straw.
Money we have, or what we have, aren't all of us on the same level right now? Huh?
What kind of same level? It is simple. Donna just reach America. She have to take her time to know the rules and the laws and whatsoever. Remember, you can't learn everything one time, no matter why. No. There is no driver in a Jamaica can tell me, say, when him go to the driving school, him learn everything. You learn the basic to qualify you to achieve a driver's license. You learn the basic. While you acquire that driver's license, when you acquire that driver's license, you have that driver's license, now you started to drive frequently around from parishes to parishes, different areas. You take your time and you gradually learn by certain mistake that you make. You realize, oh, this is a mistake, this is a stop sign, I'm supposed to stop here. So, oh, that is a U-turn, I'm supposed to wait. No, that's not a U-turn, I'm supposed to make a U-turn. So, oh, this is a junction. That's here they have the right side, they have the right way, you have to stop here. You learn gradually. No driver learn the whole law and road code and road act when him just start drive. Even a man who drive for 20 years, probably there is something in the book where him still not learn. Because you have a lot of driver, them do the basic and them get the driver's license and they have no improvement of the law of the road. Them not learn nothing more since that because them not want to learn nothing more. Especially the taxi man, them just want to be unruly. So them not take no time to learn anything else but being unruly. You understand? Simple as that. So then I have to take time out to learn America. Where you want you to just run in and come do things and she do things against the law. Jamaican law, American law, two different things, you know. But under that, you don't want to run out and do certain things and get herself in a trouble and then the law come antagonize her. Just like how I see on CMSO TV. Or the Frozy Bongo channel, one out of the two, either Frozy Bongo or I think a Frozy Bongo. Where she put up one photograph where she put up like FBI come at Donna house, yes, and Donna peep through, you know that little hole there upon your door where you peep through to see what there, and Donna peep through and she captured it. What? Scammer Donna, something like so. I don't remember now exactly for Scammer Donna or Auntie Donna, the FBI is here, something like so. And she captured it. Donna peeped through the hole on the door and when she look at FBI out there. And that one I wish for. If she come a foreign come make a silly mistake. And that's why I want she calm down. Donna calm down. Certain things where you probably do a Jamaica when you're sure says no problem America, just not do it. Just do your thing normal, casual, tone down, tone right down, and take your time to learn the rules and the laws of America, because me can tell you this. These culprits out there are sitting and waiting for you to just make one mistake where they know is against the law a certain way. If you call in the police and antagonize you, me I tell you that. So just calm down. And certain things where you probably do a yard, we know Jamaican laws like that. So we know say we can probably do this and do that, and it's nothing at all. America is probably different laws, different rules for every different countries. Look at it, even in different states of the same country, we have more different state, there is different law. You can do something in that state here, and you're okay, but if you go over the state and do it, is a problem. So just look at that as an example. So just tone down and be careful. These haters dying to see you do something where they might know or feel or think that is against the law. If you come out and say ropes. Remember, just be careful, my sis. Alright, sis? Yeah. Because not even a million here or in the next world, them can't stop you in a life again. I must just stop yourself.
What I'm simply saying, Donna is doing like a kid in a candy store right now. Me and Donna and everybody they're on the same level right now.
That's how you want to see, I want to wish you see.
Like how me used to care about things to the store. What's the big difference?
You care about things by using, taking the disadvantage. Disadvantage you take. It's simple.
Just the same way.
Nothing is wrong in carrying back something to the store. If you're privileged to do so, if me go out there and me buy this leaf, me see this leaf here and see me like this leaf here, and me buy this leaf here, and when me reach home, me try on the leaf and it not look good for me. Me I go carry back, of course. Me I go carry it back. Jamaica don't have that rules and law. So you know might be able to carry it back. You understand what I say to you? So what you have to do, you have either keep it and give it or sell it back. But you have the privilege to carry it back in America. Why not carry it back? But unlike you buy the leaf, you put on the leaf and you wear the leaf tonight, go on party or on function. And tomorrow night, because probably you did see one other sitting in the store where you like, what you do, you just wear this to the party there and carry it back the following day after you wear it. You know that I tried this on, it don't fit me well, and I don't like how it, I think it was like button on back, but when I look it's button on front. I don't want any button on front. I want, and you find the allegation, like, your excuse and you carry it back. After you carry it back, you say, okay, I don't really want a refund, you know, I just want that one over there. So you use one money buy the two things. That you do. That I don't do that.
So who give her the rights to can't say anything, or give Donna the rights can't say anything, but me can't say nothing at all. Me, it's up in a medical corner right now, and me can't say nothing at all. Huh? Like really. And it's okay.
I see that upon her life, I walk around in her area with the kitchen and something there. And dining area there. So basically, Poochie and Laddie and the next daughter, me always can't remember the next daughter name. Probably them never there. So she have the privilege now. Because she's just protecting her daughter's privacy. From see that Jamaica she talk it big and bold, you know, her daughter them not in her phone, them not like them on phone. The only one, I don't remember which one of them will call and say certain things and say she watch it live and so, but the next one like she not into that. So it is clear that the woman picked them now like in her phone. The last time Ladien come and me here she depend. Ladien come say hi to the plank of them now. All know no say Ladien come, Ladien sidestep on the beer, catch him a sidestep and him there. Plankers, we got plankers. And him gone. Well, Joshy different because Joshy grew up in it and they in it every day. So him different from them as the bigger one. So now that she gone to America and she in the era which part her pity them there. Not even a week good. She become disrupt her pity them privacy. Remember our kids them are adult now, you know. Them are not pitney no more, you know, they are adults. And they are living them life away from she for a couple of years. So why she should go there and make them feel uncomfortable? Speak the honest truth. Why should she go there because of her being on her phone with her plankers to make her kids them feel the way how you want she feel? Eh? Tell me now. But you're not gonna watch till you're weak.
Didn't Donna come out here and tell everybody that she bought a house for her daughter, for our kids them in Florida?
Come with your evidence, no man.
Huh?
You don't have to ask. You just come with your evidence and prove to the world that she says so. Then we can say, yes, I told she did say so. Bring out the evidence. Bring out the evidence. Bring out the evidence.
But me who have 6 bedroom and in a 1 bedroom, shame and disgrace and destruction upon me. I don't know for me house.
You're forced in a 1 bedroom. You're in a 6 bedroom house, but you're forced in a 1 bedroom. Because I know your place. Or your daughter place. So you have to do, if she even say go in the toilet, go live. And you want someone to live and the only choice you have to just take the toilet. You couldn't take none of the bedroom. So it's a difference. So you see, come back down to me and say, you and Donna are on the same level. Don't size up. Don't try to level up.
If you come out of my daughter's house and that door, it's okay though. It's okay though.
Yeah, because you should have owned something for yourself. Donna just reach America, you don't know what plan she have. Just wait and see, because as I say, she's a very ambitious woman. She's a very independent woman, so we know she must have big plans. To live away from her kids. Or if she buy her house and her kids want to come around and have them own section and apartment, no problem. But I can tell you, she will buy a house. If she even know I'm gonna live there like that, to say boy, well, she's American citizen, you don't know, she don't know, can't out of the country for a certain period of time. So let me left the part the outside. But she will buy a house because she's very independent and she's a very ambitious woman. And she don't need a fraction of the time we own the America for to do that. Just hold on. Yeah, a little time.
Some still not settle when they are 10 and 20 years, they still not settle yet.
Like how you're still Drexy.
That's not even what I'm saying.
You're still Drexy. So you can't talk for yourself there, so. Not even baby nappy can strain you with like how the way you're Drexy.
Shelly ever clean mama? And who for mama when come out here can say Donna give them money to buy house in Florida? I went who again? I went who again? Cause I know me when say so. So if you don't want me to bring out some story when come out already, you don't want me to read.
Bringing out the story is one, but where is the evidence? Bring out the evidence.
You do want me to rehash them.
Yeah, bring out the evidence.
Me really don't know what's wrong with some amount of people. Nobody can come out and come put their opinion out here. You know, cuss me or me worthless and me nasty and me this and
You
me
are.
that. Because say me living in my daughter's house.
You are.
Because me living in my daughter's house.
Yeah, you're worthless. If you're a big old woman like you with that foreign so much years, claim to say you work with this department of government that the American government willing and wish to send their allies for you if you are stranded anywhere or anybody try to disrespect you. So when you are stranded in Jamaica, why you never request Joe Biden to send one plane fare because you're not on a plane fare? How American citizen wave your book to him on a video call and say, see here, I'm an American citizen. Can you send a plane for me? I don't have any plane fare to return back to America. And I am not living anywhere. Somebody put me up. Why you never do that? You're nasty for you. Because if all the allegations that I heard that draw on you, if it's anywhere near true, those allegations, you're nasty. Me not gonna repeat them. Majority of who watch this know what me I talk about. You yourself know what me I talk about. If all those allegations are true, you're nasty. Oh. So where the lie there?
Right? A 6 bedroom, you know, me can't sleep in a more than 1 bedroom at a time. Oh. okay. Oh, I got you now.
You try twist and turn things and take a
And the
different road from where
difference
people
is,
are trying to say.
Donna have 3 kids and me only have 2. Me living at my daughter house and me worthless and me nasty and me disgusting. And me have grand picnic in here. Oh, I got you.
For you to come out and say, oh wait, I want me can even say it the exact way where your daughter fiancé is concerned. And you come out and you acknowledge what the people them say and then endorse it. Sign off, you know, tweet, you know, say, you actually do it and what wrong with it? What wrong with it? And you go as far as start going on the Bible. This I did do that to this year. That's it. You're nasty. You're filthy. You're filthy.
I got you now. I got you. So tell me something now. If Donna's son, Donna 2 daughters buy a house, I wonder which one of them Donna go live with. Or no, Donna go buy one house for herself.
So it couldn't be the other way around. If Donna buy a house and her kids them come live with her. Why you not look point that way then? You just a try size up with the woman. You're looking company so bad. Don't level up. Because you can't level up. And you know you can't level up. So don't use this little thing now to the woman reach a foreign now and you don't know rules and regulation and certain laws is different. And you know, certain things you have to go through process. You know? It's not like Jamaica where you can just run, go do this, do that, do that, do that. America, you might have certain rules and regulations you have to go through process. Not saying Jamaica, there's a lot of things that you have to go through process too. But where certain things is concerned in Jamaica where you can probably just go so boom, boom, boom. Even just look at even parking. You understand? Me can park my car alright. Me go a while ago and come back and me see the rubbish truck. Come and then next door me can pass man, me see me gate walk me and thing and me see them coming because them normally come in come take out the rubbish. And if my car did park on my gate when that rubbish truck come, which it always do most of the time when them come, me not have to move my car. Me not have to move my car and them come in and them jump the rubbish and them throw in the rubbish truck and them gone about them ways. In America, what I have understand, you know the days that the rubbish truck come and if you block the part of one side of the road or whatsoever, you can be fined. Your vehicle can be towed away. So these are the simple things me use as an example too. You know. So where certain things is concerned in Jamaica, where you have leniency or you get away with it or there's any rules and regulation for, it's a different thing in America, probably Canada and England. So she have to take her time to learn all that and go through the process and do what she have to do. You understand? There's a process, she just have to follow the rules and regulation and go through the process. So all the way you say no make no sense here. So as me say, you just try to size up. Because you're the first thing you jump up and you say, the whole only now they're on the same level. Remember when she used to in Jamaica and she walk all about in her house, now she have to in a one corner. She have to in a one corner in her 3-bedroom. She not forced to do it, but out of respect of her kids. If her kids were social media personals or social media people, when no matter, she could go anywhere in the house and turn the camera in the house when they want to pass, them pass. You understand? But they are not that type of people or persons. So it's simple, she just respect them privacy. So you can't chat all you want to chat, no level up no there so.
Which one of them is she go live with and she not go be worthless? She be okay. She be okay.
More than you will live with your daughter.
Maxine with her sick self can't live by herself, can't even, she's not supposed to even sleep by herself. It's okay that Maxine is worthless and stagnant. Live with her daughter, take her daughter man and stuff like that. But Maxine not supposed to say nothing at all. Just make the people them come out and tear her to pieces, and it's okay. And it's okay. Mother advise no for honor. Mother advise. Hey, Sharon, you now make them beat me. I'm me one worthless Sharon. Sharon, I'm me one worthless. I'm me one that care about things to the store. I'm me one of the gas store go buy what me want and stuff like that. Hey, Bongo, how you do? How you do, Bongo? Them did cause us.
Frozy Bongo reach.
Yes.
Frozy Bongo.
They catch my daughter yard. I want 6-bedroom mansion there. Lorraine went tell us say I want man.
So what are you saying? You continue to sing but you catch your daughter yard. Them a say you catch your daughter yard and it's a 6-bedroom and you only can sleep in a one. So what are you doing? You're comparing because it's a 3-bedroom than a living in. You compare with somebody who just reach America. And that you do? You compare with somebody who just reach America. 3-bedroom. So what she forgot to do now? Rent 1 5-bedroom for living in a 3 of them. The good thing about it, none of them now sleep in a room with them one another. Because you hear she tell you say, Ladine not live there so. Ladine must live at Georgia or whatsoever. And if it come to the test where him have to sleep over, what happen if him sleep in a mother bed? Now him mother? What happen if him sleep in a mother bed? Something wrong with that? So what you want Donna for do now? Come squander and splash out and go rent 5-bedroom and 2-bedroom lock up. And them have no plans to invite any guests to come over and sleep. Eh? That's how you not reach nowhere in a life. That's how you not reach. All the money we should have pay extra, she go and save if you buy her own place. That she not end up homeless like someone. You know. Remember your ball out, say you're homeless already, you know. You will never see that reach Donna. Not on a god dead body.
But didn't they said house went by? Didn't people come by a concourse certain people and say house by a Florida? No worry about this and no worry about that. Tell me if I'm one way here that part of the tour already. Tell me if I'm one way here that part of the tour already.
So you continue to sing about 6-bedroom, like you try to compare. So see there, a 3 she come live in, a 3 of them. Your family big, both your son, your daughter are pitney them, you and man, they live in there. So 6-bedroom no bad for no.
I'd never take Opal advice. Donna will never take nobody advice. Donna is going to do what Donna wants to do. So all of who they come and tear me down for Donna and stuff like that, it ain't gonna happen. Donna is going to do what Donna wants to do. And Maxine have a right to come out and contract about anything she want to talk about. So anybody who not like him, me feel sorry for them. Me do really feel sorry for them.
All of a sudden everybody they pan Opal. All who never remember Opal during their life, she live on earth. All of a sudden everybody they pan Opal now.
Because if you don't really believe say me go top chat, because you know say me fit top chat, you don't make a sad mistake at the time me chat.
Me not give them any relevance in people, but when she say somebody have to come out come talk. Me never look on them. You see how long me not look on all them. That not say Tina them and we caca hide them you know. But sometimes they might give a reason to come out, but them yeah, it's like the same. Yeah, alright, let me put it a better way. It is like, yeah, look at woman. Me as a man, me I look at woman. See, me say 2 women and me I look them. One live here so, and one live down the road there so. You see the one here live here so. Every time she see me, she know me like her, you know, but every time she see me, she just chew herself for me, And all she chew herself for me just not feel her. When I say feel, I mean literally feel her. Me just not feel her. Because me just, like me a sit to her, say, is an opportunist. So it's like, me can't get to connect to her just like, although me like her. But when I go down the road, so now, you see the one we kind of, And I say hi, and she say hi, and you know, and we have a little simple little exchange of words and stuff. You know, say me have more zest to go for that one day. Because that me I work for what I want. Basically, that one day, well, how should I put it now? The one yes, sir, we are through herself for me, seems to be fake to me. So she just prove like yes, she really want me, she want a man, she want a man. You understand? So me have her as a fake. She just want to out there, worse if me, she used to me as a celebrity. But the woman down there, so she don't know nothing about me, you know. But she just see me. But yet still, she will give me an eye, a hello, and me stop and say a word, and she hear me and she say back, she say she gone. And gradually, we build a thing. Lorraine, them ya, T girl them, and Marcia them, fall in that kind of category where me I talk about. But the difference is, you see like Maxine and Lorraine them, it's like, them want to be seen so bad. That all things where them not supposed to talk about, them come talk about. Tina and Marcia, you know, with Tina, she will come fabricate story upon you. You understand? To get fair attention. Marcia, you know, she come out and come spill her own personal business to get the attention. And cuss up her bad word. You understand? So, me don't know if you don't understand when I try to get that, you know. So, it's more easier for me really come out and do a video upon Marcia and Tina more than how I feel to do a video upon Maxine and Lorraine them. You know, so long I do a video upon Lorraine and so things them a talk till them go in and hide in one day for a couple of hours or days when Donna reach America. That for sure what I talk about. Whole heap of others out here in the same diaspora we are set things and I do things and I don't even look over there. And like she know, what she has said, I have to come out come say. So now and again, them might say something, and I decide to say, oh yes man, I go for you man. I come out man. I come let the people them hear you. Oh you're stupid or you're foolish. Yes.
Donna no sit down there cooking for them. And she will be cooking for them for a very long time. All I'm simple saying, Donna and me on the same level right now. In the part with on the same level.
That time your high side where you're
sick.
sick. But that's not naturally. That's not natural. And you make it look like when Donna there Jamaica, Donna is this person who does hype and going to the dairy store. Remember, you know, Donna are all eagle. And anyway, Donna go with here, she beg discount. Brawling. Let me say, brawling, me want discount. You have to give me discount. You have to give me something and fight. Me can't spend some money, you have to give me discount. You have to. We see Donna walk in a cheap store, go buy some cheap clothes. You understand? We see Donna stop at a roadside and she will buy like a soup, yes, and like a something, yes, I'll do. She will watch her belly because she don't know who is who. So you make it look like every time you see Donna is upscale life Donna live. So now that she come to America and she go in like a cheap stores, them like Uno going in, she should not go in them the store there. She feel going a top clothes store. You know all why that happen? Because of the mindset Uno have against the woman. She says she rich. So she should not shop the same place she Uno shop. People who are supposed to far better off than America with their Jamaica. She and them a shop out the same way. So what's the difference with Uno? People were Uno supposed to far better off than with the America supposed to, you know, because Uno no better off. Uno supposed to better off than people are yeah, she and them a shop at the same shop. So what the difference? Donna never show you so she live in a high scale life. It's be a top of the line stores and shops and restaurants she go. So what you say? Make it make sense. But you and that you judge I say you and do one upon the same level.
And by one sheet out of three, so it's just like it better you also turn to Jamaica. Jamaica you live big and large. Me they tell us say me go Jamaica me live big and large. America no nothing. Nobody no care about no name brand this or name brand that. Nobody no care. Nobody no care. Who would I believe say Ross would I be Donna best friend? Who would I believe so? You know say Ross and Donna second yard. Ross and home goods. I done a second yard. Yes. Not more.
No worry, man. No worry. We soon move from Ross to Ballhead when we buy with one place. We soon move to our goods and left home goods. No worry. When we buy with place, we are move from home goods to our goods. And we are move from Ross to Ballhead. And now who can't move how much years the America, who can't move from none of the above. None of the above.
Are them big trending Venti store and this a store and
Yes,
that
man.
No.
Yes,
Gucci
man.
store and all of that. No.
No, Donna, still count the dollar as 150 for one. No dollar for dollar. Not under our dead body we are counting about dollar for dollar. That's when we up there. But as much as we can save, we are counting it as 150 for one. When you're the America as a Jamaican, that's how you have to think. When you have to go into the store, go say dollar for dollar, you say dollar for dollar. But when you think on a bigger picture, you say 150 for dollar. You understand? Yes, man. And see if you not work out in the long run, more than some of them, you are talking about dollar for dollar and a floss and a brass. Here?
No.
No worry.
I know them the store their best friend, you know your rich part and best friend. Russ.
When we buy the house, we see who our best
When
friend.
the rain come out, I come ball out and say every day me in a Russ and a pair Russ clothes me have and Russ this and Russ that. What you know when say? Tell me what you know when say again, cause me no remember. Me no remember. No, tell me who.
Don't worry, man. People, you don't know, just big up on yourself. Continue to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up on the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support my backup channel, Life is a Mission TV. And remember, the white wing dove. I wonder if him and him boyfriend always up there and mate or what. Because the way him flap for him wing, I can't him alone up in a tree. I must two of them up there do them thing. And remember in the comment section, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy and Tamika Douglas TV YouTube channel. May I beg you, give them a subscription. Help them to reach 1,000. It a move, but for the past 2 weeks, last week and this week kind of slow down bad. But this week look better than last week. So may I beg you, just give them a subscription. Alright? And remember the cash app down there. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for watching again. Any day you don't get a video, you can't buy this from what day me I go on some 2 video a day. Yes, me I go on it because any day you not get none, you can't buy. Tomorrow Sunday you might not get none. But guess what me know? Me like post video on a Sunday. You understand? Yeah, because 2 Sunday on the home. Most of them, they might do home and stuff. I look out for your little Sunday matinee, you know? So, I try my best sometimes. But you know, it's Sunday because Sunday I'm a day off, you know? And that's why sometimes I try to do it on a Saturday night. You know, so I can just jump up and walk my one of the eye and just release the video. After I upload the Saturday night, I just release it the Sunday. Yes, I don't have a Sunday matinee. I just that. But enough Sunday, I don't feel like posting a video the way I'm tired and want to lie down. And when my woman sleep, hold me down, you know. When wifey hold me down, she not let me go in up on a Sunday, you know, because she's a fear day that. You don't know wifey? Wifey name Sleep. When she hold me down, I eat that. Anyway, big up on yourself. As I say, Jamaica and the weather, you know. Not storm, you know, and the weather called the next tropical depression up on the sea. I don't know how far it there now, but we're under the aftermath same way, where you don't know after a storm you get a whole heap of rain. So we still get rain on and off. The country still bleak. That not say sun a peep now peep out its face, you know, because you know say God is good. Father God, we are give you rain and I give you sun. And remember the moon never go in. You understand? The only thing you might not see a star because the time bright. You understand? But you can see sun, you can see rain, and you can see moon. That is all Father God good. Which man can do that? Bless upon yourself. Stay safe for the weekend. Prepare for the new working week. I'm out.